So in this tutorial we will learn dollar function. So what is dollar function? Type here equal to dollar. So here it converts a number to a text. That means dollar function converts a number into a text using a currency format. That means it will convert this number into a text, but it will also give a currency formatting. And you can also change the decimal places. That means if you want 1 decimal place, 2 decimal place, 3 decimal place, you can do it also. So let's see. Type here equal to dollar. The number is this one, comma, decimal place. How many decimal place do we want? We want here 2 decimal place. Then bracket close and enter. You can see if I increase this width of the column, this number is left aligned. That means this number is stored as text. Number 2, this number converted as a currency. And number 3, decimal place of this number has changed to 2 decimal place. So in this way dollar function works. Now let's see other examples. Equal to dollar this number, then this number, comma this number. Here also you can see we got 1 decimal place. Now drag this till the end. So you can see it rounds the decimal place to 0 decimal place. In this way all these numbers are rounded and converted into currency format as a text. Now in the same way as fixed, we will create a label, that is total sales for HDD. So type here equal to, within quotation, total sales for space double quote and HDD. Then again and then one space and this number. So we got here total sales for HDD is 55,250, but here is no currency format or any decimal place nor any comma. So to do this with the help of text function, we can do equal to text, type here within quote total sales for space quote close and HDD and again space and now this number should be converted or formatted as currency with the help of text. Text, this is the value, comma formatted text within quotation RS, that means currency of India, then hash comma then triple hash. And if you want decimal place, put decimal place and 00, and if you don't want decimal place, then delete this up to decimal, then quote close, then bracket close and enter. You can see we got the total sales for HDD rupees 55,250. If you want decimal place, you can put here .00. You can see we got the decimal place. Now for the fixed, equal to within quotation total sales for space quote close and HDD and space and dollar, then select this, comma decimal place. If you want 0 decimal place, then type 0. If you want 2 decimal place, type 2, then bracket close and enter. You can see here total sales for HDD is rupees 55,250. So in this way we can use the fixed function to create level or in any other problems where we have to change a number to a currency format and to be stored as text. So I hope you have understood this tutorial very well. But still, if you have any problem regarding this tutorial, you can write me in the comment section. If you like this video, please hit the like button and support us, and also share this video with your friends who need to learn these functions. And do not forget to subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any new updates and notifications when we upload new Excel videos. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.